Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we have a brand new collab with Colourpop, and this is the Colourpop and Naruto collection. This is so cute. I know so many people are so excited about this. I'm not like super in the like Naruto scene, but I definitely know what it is, and I have a bunch of friends that are super obsessed with Naruto, so I think I'm actually gonna give this collection to my friend afterwards because she loves Naruto so much. So you guys know the drill here. I'll be doing swatches, a tutorial, and then give you guys my review as well. Yeah, so this collection is launching today when you guys are watching this, July 20th at 10 a.m. PST. As always, you guys can use my code. It is just Katrina, and it'll save you 10% off the Colourpop website. And in case you guys were wondering, this collection will also be at Ulta, and that will be launching on July 30th. If you guys want to wait for the Ulta drop, it does launch on the 30th. So also look who's here today. Gigi's here with me this week. I have her over here at my house. She lives with my dad. I always get questions about Gigi. People think I just gave her away when I moved, and I did not. Obviously, I would never. She lives with my dad because she's super attached to him, so I never wanted to like separate her. She's been such a good girl today. She was just sleeping like the whole time. Sorry, I woke her up. Now she's mad. Let's go ahead and get into the collection. So the first thing that we have is the Naruto palette. So first it comes in this little sleeve, and then the actual palette looks exactly the same. So this is what the palette looks like. It just says Naruto on the front. It has this really cute design, and it kind of has like this textured, like glossy and matte look, which I think is really pretty. Put it up, and this is what it looks like. We have the cute little design on top. I really like this. And then we have all the shades in here. There are 15 shades in this palette. There's a mixture of mattes, metallics, that like pearlized glitter finish, and yeah, some of those like sparkle mattes. I've seen a lot of comments saying that this looks exactly the same as the Avatar palette. And like the Legend of Korra palette, I don't think it necessarily does. I can't find my Avatar palette right now, but here's the Legend of Korra one, and I don't think it looks that similar. Like some shades that are similar, but I don't think they look identical. I think it's just like obviously the color story of both shows are similar, so I think that's it. That's the palette, and I'll also put those swatches on the screen for you if I haven't already. But yeah, so that is the palette. I think it's super pretty. I really like the shades in here. I think this one's definitely between this one, the Avatar, and the Legend of Korra palette. This one is definitely more wearable. I feel like, I don't know, it just like it's a little bit more toned down than the other ones. So we have 3 Super Shock shadows. We have a red, a like orangey gold shade, and then a blue shade. It has each character on them as well. I'll show them in the close-ups, but yeah, each one is like a designated character, so that is really cute. I like the designs on this one. I think this one is such a cute like collector's item, especially because the Super Shocks have a little design on the lids as well, along with a really cute unicorn. So I think this is really cute. If you're a collector, this would be so cute like on display. But yeah, these are like the tie-dye Super Shocks. Definitely have like that swirl and marble effect to them. So the blue one is actually really pretty. I'm probably gonna say it wrong, but this one is called Sasuke. I'm not even gonna try, but that's that one. Then we have Naruto. This one is the orange one. It's like a orange and yellow tie-dye effect. Really pretty. And then we have Sakura, and this one, it is like a red and pink tie-dye. Super pretty. We have 3 cream gel liners. Each unicorn has a designated character on the side. So this one again is Sasuke, Naruto. If I'm saying it wrong, I'm so sorry. And Sakura. But those are the unicorns for all 3. Blue, a pink, and like a bronzy shade. We have Ninja Way. Ninja Way is the bronzy one. Courage is the pink one, and then we have Revenge, which is the blue one. Lids on these as well also have a really cute design on them. Next is the Glitterally Obsessed. This is what the unicorn looks like, and then when you open it up, it has a cute design on the lid. This is what the glitter looks like. It's really like of a warm tone gold glitter. It's really pretty. It's not my favorite shade of like gold for a glitter, but it definitely matches like the rest of the collection. So this one is called Gold Dust. Super pretty. It has like a lot of multicolored glitter in there as well. We have a Luxe Lip Oil. This is what the unicorn looks like. The actual Luxe Lip Oil itself is super pretty. I love this color. It's like the perfect everyday, like warm brownie nude lip color for like every single day. I obviously have it on right now. It is so pretty. I will say this has like the Luxe lip glosses, like that big chunky doe foot, rather than like how the Luxe Lip Oils normally come with like the flat doe foot. So if that's something that you care about. I just wanted to let you know. And this one is called Chakra. So pretty. I love this color so much. That is everything in the collection. Again, this is launching today when you guys are watching it, so I'll go ahead and link it down below. If you want to see how I got this look right here and to see this collection in action, then just keep watching. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and start off with the palette. I think I want to do something blue. I really like the blues in here. Start off with Copy Ninja. It's this shade right here. Oh, also my nails are blue right now, so perfect. So this shade is definitely gray, Copy Ninja. It looks like a little bit more like pastel-y blue almost in the pan, but it's definitely more gray, but that's okay. I'm just using it like as a transition shade. So I'm putting this on the outer corner into the crease, a little bit in this inner part. I think I'm gonna do like a halo eye, like a very easy halo eye. It is way too hot to do literally anything else right now. So I'm just putting this kind of all over, just using this as my transition, and it kind of will give this darker blue shade something to blend into. I'm gonna go into Hidden Mist Village. This shade, it's kind of like a darker teal bluish color. I really like this, so I'm gonna start blending this on this outer corner. I'm taking a little bit at a time since this is darker. I'm just gonna take a little bit to kind of just blend that into that gray shade, so nothing super harsh, and then I'll just build it up as I go. Also kind of winging it out just a tad. It looks a little messy, it's okay, because I'm gonna just put some glitter over on top of it anyway. Focusing this with a big fluffy brush on the outer part. The smaller brush, this is a Time 206. That was a Colourpop F2, by the way. With the smaller brush, I'm gonna take that on the inner part and just kind of build that color up as well. I'm kind of leaving the middle a little blank. Take that smaller brush again on this outer corner and just start to do the halo effect. Again, keeping that center pretty bare. That's gonna give you that halo look. I actually really like this color a lot. Once I have that halo shape down, this shade right here, it's a blue glitter shade. In this right here, I'm still gonna keep the center a little blank, but I'm going in a little bit with that glitter. Actually, I'm just putting the glitter where we kept the center blank, so it'll be nice and sparkly right there. That color is so pretty. I've said this before, but I love that pearlized glitter formula. I love it so much. I wish they would come out with singles of that pearlized glitter finish. It's so good. Have that down. I'm gonna just kind of re-intensify the inner and outer corner with that matte shade, the Hidden Village. Just kind of re-intensify that. I'm gonna take like a little tiny brush with this shade right here. It's the lightest shade. It's like a silvery color. And I'm gonna put that right in the center. Like that, so it brings a lot of focus right to the center of the eye. Make sure to kind of blend that with the pearlized glitter, keeping it nice and focused in the center, and you can just see it brings so much dimension to the eyes. I love doing this with halo eyes so much. I went ahead and just did this eye really quick. I think I'm gonna leave it at that for right now. Obviously I'm gonna do the lower lash line, but for the top part of my eyes, I'm gonna keep it at this for right now. So I'm gonna do the rest of my face really quick, and then we'll come back and do the lower lash line and the lips. So I went ahead and did my base and everything really quick. I'm just baking right now. I also want to say I've been using the Colourpop cream blushes so much recently. I have it on right now and I just love how it looks because it's like matte, and it's been great during these hot days where I don't want to look super glowy because it's not glow. I'm sweaty. It's so hot. So a matte blush right now is like perfect, and it looks so nice. Like it's so subtle and it just makes your face look so like snatched. I'm wearing Bally Baby. I have an entire video if you guys missed it. I uploaded it last week when they launched, but let's finish up this lower lash line. Actually, I'm gonna go in with the cream gel liner. This is in the shade Revenge. I'm gonna put this in my waterline. These are metallic. I wish they were matte, but it's okay. I just put that in my waterline. I'm gonna take, I think just the same shades I was using on top. Hidden Mist Village. And I'm just gonna put that on the lower lash line. I had the AC running in my house for like 3 hours, so it would be like cool while I filmed. And because I have to like film with the natural light, that did nothing because now it's hot again because I'm letting all this like sun in my room, and these lights in front of me are blazing. Like it's so hot. So I really don't want to wear any more makeup, to be honest. I really love this eye look. Ain't anything super crazy. I'm just kind of lining the bottom lash line. I don't think I'm going to smoke it out too much. Just leave it at that. You know, I didn't use one of the Super Shocks, but I just felt like the one in the palette, like the blue in the palette, was prettier. Glitter is very gold. I don't know if I like the glitter that much for my eyes right now since it's pretty blue and cool tone, but the glitter is really pretty. I guess I'll just use that shade that I used right down the center on my inner corner. The shade I use in the center. I'm just gonna put that. Ooh, pretty. It looks really pretty in the center and it looks really pretty on its own, so like that. Super pretty. Okay, I think that's pretty much it for the eyes. All we have left is the Luxe Lip Oil, which I'm really excited for because I love the Luxe Lip Oils so much. This is in the shade Chakra. Put on some lashes and stuff really quick and then we'll do the lips. Okay, I went ahead and just did some mascara really quick. I still haven't worn lashes. I don't even know when the last time I wore lashes was, but I'm still on a no lash kick. I think I might finally wear lashes tomorrow because I'm seeing fucking Paramore tomorrow and I'm so excited. So I think I might wear lashes tomorrow because I have like a makeup look in mind that I want to do. But yeah, I still haven't worn lashes, so just mascara today. Couldn't be bothered with lashes. Also, I just feel like sometimes lashes just overtake the makeup and I feel like it looks fine. So I'm gonna go in with the Luxe Lip Oil. This Luxe Lip Oil has like a different doe foot. It has like the chunky Luxe like gloss lip doe foot. So but this color is so pretty. Like I have like a little bit of lip balm on right now, but it's so pretty on its own. Look at that. Oh, I'm like debating if I want to go in with like a lip liner with it. I kind of do, but look at how pretty it is by itself. Like this is the perfect everyday lip color. Lip oils are my absolute favorite. I literally wear them every single day. So I'm gonna go with the lip liner because it's making it a little bit more peach. This is the Makeup Shack Spill the Tea lip liner. I'm just kind of like rubbing that around. I don't want to like super defined. I like that. And then I'm going to go in with the lip oil. This color is so pretty. Oh yeah. I love this. It's such a pretty lip combo. Wow. I have that lip liner. You can use BFF too from Colourpop because that's like another good one, but I love the lip combo. The makeup is giving. Also, the makeup is set, you guys. Like, this shit is not moving. I'm glad because I'm like so hot. I am literally dying. Like, it's so hot and humid. I can't. I can deal with like, actually I can't. I don't do well in heat at all, but I can't deal with heat and humidity at the same time. It feels like when I lived in Texas when I was little. I hate it. It's just, I feel gross and sticky. I don't want my hair on me. That's why I have it back. I couldn't be bothered to do my hair at all today. Anyways, this is the finished look. I love it. It looks so pretty. I really like how this look turned out. The eyes are so pretty. I love this color blue. It's like that teal, the matte one at least, like the matte shade that I use is like a really pretty deep like teal color, and I think it's stunning. That blue like pearlized glitter that's in the palette is also so pretty. Like I just see the sparkle whenever the light hits it. Those pearlized glitter formulas are just like unmatched. I love them so much. And I love the lip color. I think it's so pretty. This is definitely going in my purse for like an everyday lip color. I use the Luxe Lip Oils literally every single day, so I love when I can find like a new one to throw in my purse. I really do like. I think it's super pretty. It does look a little familiar to the Avatar and the Legend of Korra palette. Kind of just like the same color family a little bit, but definitely the Legend of Korra one and the Avatar one had like almost like all the shades of like the elements and stuff like that. But yeah, this one I definitely feel like is a little less. I feel like the Avatar and the Legend of Korra palettes looked more similar than like this one looks to those ones. This one is really pretty. I would get them for like the blues alone, honestly. This one's definitely a little bit more wearable than the Avatar and the Legend of Korra palette. I think it's stunning. I think it's really pretty. I think between all three, this one is my favorite. A lot of times like when they're licenses, like Colourpop buys these licenses from the, you know, company, and they kind of just, Colourpop has some say in it, but really the brands have like a say in like what colors they want and like the design and the characters like on the palette and stuff like that. So I know it's like a little bit more of like the brand thing where like that's what they're given to make a palette, you know, and like a collection. But yeah, I definitely feel like this one is a little bit more different than the other two, where I feel like the Avatar and Legend of Korra looked very similar. This one's a little bit more different, so I really like it. I think it's really pretty. I like the Super Shock shadows in here. I think they're also really pretty. The glitter is not my favorite. I don't like that like orangey gold kind of glitter, so I think if anything I would pass on the glitter. The eyeliners, I've definitely, like, they're pretty, but I've definitely seen them before in other collections, like those kind of colors, but obviously these are the colors of Naruto, so it's like, it is what it is. But I've definitely seen the cream gel liners, like those colors, in other collections and so on and so forth, so that I definitely would probably pass on as well. I think if you're gonna get anything, I would say the palette, the Luxe Lip Oil, and then probably the Super Shocks. I would definitely skip the liners and the glitter. But anyways, leave me a comment down below. Let me know if you guys are gonna pick anything up. I hope that you guys liked this video. If you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe if not subscribed already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.